Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question for perimeter and area in 2 dimensions. So number 1, find the perimeter of each shape. This is parallelogram, so we got 32, here also need to be 32. This is 28, so this is gonna be 28. Perimeter, we just need to addition all of sides. So we got 32 plus 32 plus 28 plus 28, so total of 120 millimeter, the perimeter. Next, this is rhombus. All of sides are equal, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal sides. We can make it 4 times one side is 11.25, so it's gonna be 45 centimeter. Next, a kite. So this is equal 19, it's gonna be 45, so we can make it 2 times 19 plus 45. So this will give us the answer of 128 millimeter. Next, look at the equal, so this is 14, also 14, this 14, this 21. So 2 times 21 plus by 4 times 14, this will give us answer of 2 times 21 is 42 plus 4, 56. So this is gonna be 98 millimeter. Next, okay, this are 1.5 and 1.5. Okay. Moment, let's check it first again. Be careful. Yeah, not 1.5. This is 4.9, also 4.9, 4.9. So 3 times 4.9. And then here is 1.5, also 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So let us write it properly. So we got 3 times 4.9. And then plus by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1.5. We plus by 5.3 plus 6.8 plus by 4.3.4. Okay, after addition, this will give us the answer of 36.2 centimeter. Next, we just addition all the sides. Be careful, we got 7.2 centimeter. So we have to change it from centimeter to millimeter. So this is, we just need to multiply by 10 because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So it's gonna be 72 millimeter. So we got 92 plus 69 plus 72. After addition, this will give us answer of 233 millimeter. Next, find the perimeter of each shapes. Give your answer correct to decimal place. Okay, the perimeter, if you would like to find the perimeter of the circle, so this is circumference or perimeter is pi multiplied by the diameter, or circumference is going to be 2 pi times r, radius. Okay, number 1, we got the diameter is 5, so we can use the first one. Circumference is gonna be 20. Okay, let's make it 3.14 multiplied by 5. So this is gonna be 15.71 meters. Next, for B, okay, so for the B, 7 centimeter. So we can write it, circumference gonna be 2 times 3.14 and then multiplied by 7. So this is gonna be 43.98 centimeter. Next question. Okay, we got a half. So is it a half? Yeah, first a half. Look at it. For this perimeter, make it a half circumference, and we addition with this line. So circumference is gonna be where is this 5, we divide it by 2, then multiply it by the diameter plus by 21. So 3.14 multiply it by 21, and then we divide it again by 2 because this is a half, and then plus by 21. So for circumference or the diameter, this will give us the answer of 53.99 millimeter. Next is D. Remember, perimeter is addition all the sides. So we got 4.5 and 4.5. So it's gonna be 2 times 4.5 plus by, this is a half of circle and a half of circle. So this is like one circle. So we can make it 3.14 multiplied by the diameter is 4. So this is 9 plus by, this is multiplication is gonna be 6, 5 to 1, 12.56, 5 and 6. So after addition, this will give us the answer of 21.57. Yeah, 5, 6, sorry. 5 and 6. Next we got here. Okay, we got a half and a half is gonna be 1. Half and a half again is gonna be 1. So we got 2 circumference 5 times the diameter. So 2 times 5, diameter is 3. So this is 6 pi, or 5 is 3.14. So we calculate it. It's gonna be 18.85 meter. Next, we can see it from here. Okay, first, this area, the diameter is 5 times 8, or 8 pi plus by, from outside, the this is the radius. So we need to make it 2 pi times with diameter is 8 plus by 2 pi, the diameter is 16. So this is gonna be 16 pi plus by 32 pi. So this is 48 pi. Phi is 3.14. So 48 we multiply it by 3.14. The answer is gonna be 150.8 meter. Next question, 60 degree. We should know it about the 60 degree. 60 degree. So we can write it like this: 60 degree. 60. Total of circle is 360. So it's gonna be 1 over. We divide by 6, or 1 over 6. So 1 over 6 of the diameter. So pi, we multiply it by the diameter, not diameter, this is radius. So this is 2 times 1 over 6. Pi, the radius is 8. And then we plus by, this line is 8. It's also 8. So 2 times 8. So we can do it. So this is gonna be 1 over 3 pi and 8. So we can write it 8 pi. And plus by 16. Pi is 3.14. So this will give us the answer of 24.38 centimeter. After we calculate it with phi equal to 3.14. Okay, this line is 6, 6. So we got 2 times 6. And then here is a half of circle. So we can make it a half of diameter, a half of the perimeter. So pi multiplied by 5 plus by a half again of circle, a half, pi plus by, not plus, multiplied by 2. It's gonna be 12 plus 5 over 2 pi plus by 5, or 12 plus by, It's gonna be 7 over 2 pi. Pi is 3.14. So 7 over 2 times 3.14 and then plus by 12. This will give us the answer of 23.00 centimeter. Okay, go on. A square has a perimeter of 360. A square perimeter. So the square, all of sides. Number 3, all sides are equal. So for side, this is side, equal to 360. So we just need to divide by 4 to make it one side. 360 divided by 4 is 90. So 90 meter. Number 4. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular plot 45 meter long and 37 meters wide. If the cost of fencing is per meter. So this is, we need to find the perimeter first for number 4. So the perimeter is 2 and then 45 plus 37. So we got it, this is 2 and then 45. We got 45 plus 7. 45 plus 37 is gonna be 82. And 82 multiplied by 2 is gonna be 164 meter. And then we multiply it by the dollar, it's gonna be 45.5 per meter. So 164 we multiply it by $45.5. This will give us the answer of 7,462. Next, number 5. An isosceles triangle has the perimeter of 28. Calculate the length of each of the equal sides if the third is 100 millimeter. Okay, this on you, we can change it into centimeter or millimeter, but this has to be the same unit. So if we want to make it centimeter, we just divide by 10, so it's gonna be 10 centimeter. Remember, isosceles these two sides are equal. So if this is 10 centimeter, so we can make it 28 minus 10, it's gonna be 18 centimeter for two of them. So we just need to divide by 2, so each will be 9 centimeter. So number 5, the answer is 9 centimeter. Number 6, how much string do you need to form a circular lobe of the diameter of 28? Here, circular lobe. This number 6, diameter of 28. So circumference is gonna be 5. We multiply it by 28. So this is, we can write it like about 88 centimeter. Remember, 5 is 3.14. Now is 7. Number 7. The rim of bicycle wheels has a radius of, okay, what is exact? So exactly is circumference is gonna be 2 pi times radius is 31.5. So this will be 31, sorry. 31.5 we multiply it by 2, it's gonna be 63 pi. So pi, remember, the value of pi is, or we can just keep it like this if they don't ask it exactly, because this is different pi. Okay, the tire that goes, okay, that goes onto the rim is 3.5 ticks. Calculate the exact circumference of the wheel when the tire is fitted to. So we can draw it here. Yeah, it's not exactly like a circle, but okay, let's make it the circle. So this is gonna be, okay, if you can draw it, you may. So this is gonna be like 31.5, and we plus by 3.5. So this will give us the answer of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 35 centimeter total. So for the circumference, it's gonna be 2 pi multiplied by 35. So this is gonna be 70 pi centimeter. Number 10, find the area of each this shape. Okay, number 8, this is a trapezium. So sum of the two parallel. So 12.5 plus 35. And then we multiply the height is 14 and divided by 2. When divided, it's gonna be 7. So we got 47.5 multiplied by 7. So the area of the first shape is gonna be 332.5 centimeter square. Next for B. B is a rhombus. So the base here, base is here. So equal 1.7. So this is the height. We forgot something. Look at here. This is meter and centimeter. Let us make it into meter. So centimeter to meter, we need to, here, this is 90. So 90, just need to multiply 0.01. So this will give us answer of 0.9. Okay, there we go. For the area, we just need to base times height. Base is 0.9. We multiply by 1.7. So the answer is going to be 1.53 meter square. Next, what is this? This is rhombus. R equal, so this is going to be 21. So for the rhombus, if they are equal, so the area is going to be base with height is 21 multiplied by 19. 21 we multiply by 19 is going to be 399 centimeter square. Next D. D is a triangle. So the area of triangles is base times height, but we need to divide by 2 as this is a half of square or rectangle. Base is 20 times 15 multiplied by divided by 2. So this we can simplify. So 10 times 15, so which will be 150 centimeter square. Next, what is this? This is a triangle. So for the triangle, the area is base times height divided by 2. Base is 17 times 7, and we divided by 2. So 17, this we simplify is going to be 3.5. So 17 multiplied by 3.5 will be 59.5 centimeter square. Okay, this is a triangle with the base of, so the area is base height times divided by 2. So base is going to be 13 plus 5 is going to be 18. 18 times height is 11 divided by 2. This is going to be 9 times 11. So this will be 99. Isn't it? So 5 times 18 is going to be 5 times 13. This will give us the answer of 18. Okay, this is the area of this circle. So 99, we need to minus it with the area that we don't want here. So 99 minus with, let's find it, A, it's going to be 5. times 11 divided by 2. So it's gonna be 55. We divided by 2. Or this is 27.5. So the area is 99 minus by 27.5. So this area is gonna be 99 minus by 27.5, which is 71.5. Next is G. Okay, this is the base and the height. So the area is gonna be base times height divided by 2. Base is 112 times the height is 41 divided by 2. So 112 we divided by 2. You're gonna be 56 times 41. So this will equal to 2296 millimeter square. Now this is a kite. So the product of the diagonal. So we can write it for the kite. Area of kite is 1/2 we multiplied by product of diagonal. Okay, product of the diagonal. So we can see it from here. We got 8, and also we got 10, we got 12, and we got 15. So area of kite. So the first diagonal here is 8. This is not an equal. So diagonal 1, diagonal 2, or we can make it, let's check it, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, which is 1/2 8 times 15. So this we can simplify by 4 times 15. So this will give us the answer of 4 times 15 is 60. So let's try it with another diagonal. Another diagonal is a half multiplied by 12 times 10. So this we can simplify 6 times 10 equal to 60. Okay, both of them are equal, so you can pick any the diagonal. So the area is gonna be 60 centimeter cube. Okay, next number 9. Find the area of each shape. Give your answer to correct decimal place. Okay, this 100. So if the area of the circle is gonna be 5 r square, this is the area. So if this is 100, so this is gonna be pi. This is gonna be 50 square. So 22500 times 5. 5 is 3.5. So after we multiply, we got 7853.98 millimeter square. Next, this is 1/4. Okay, let's make it 90/360. So this is 1/4. So 1/4 of the area. So the area we got the radius. So 1/4 pi times 14 square. So this is gonna be 1/4 pi 14 times 14. 14 times 14. So this is, we can make it as 2 times 2. So 2 and 14 is gonna be 7. So it's gonna be pi times 7 squares, or 49 pi. Pi 3.5. So after we multiplication, we will get 153.94 millimeter square. Okay, this is a half. So 1/2 of the area. So 1/2, the area is pi 140. So it's gonna be 70. We make it square. So 70. We make it square is gonna be 49,000 divided by 2 is gonna be 2,455. We multiply it with pi. $24,500. So this will give us the answer of 7,696.9. This is millimeter square. Next, 20 degrees. So 20 over 360. So it's gonna be 1/9 of the area. So the area is 1/9 times pi. Radius we got it 10. So 10 squares gonna be 100/9 of pi. So it will be 17.45 centimeter square. Next for the E. Okay, so 300. So we got 300 only. So 300 degree over 360. We divided by 6, 5/6 of the area. So the area is 5/6 times 5 times the radius is 8 square. So 5/6, 5, we multiply it by 64. So we can simplify it 5/6. No, yeah, we can just write it 5. We multiply it by 64. It's gonna be 320 divided by 6 pi. So 320 we can simplify it by 2. So it's gonna it's gonna be 160. It's gonna be 160 divided by 3 times pi. So this will give us the answer of 167.55 centimeter cube. Number 10. Find the area of the shaded part in each of these figures. Show your working clearly in each case and give your answer to correct 2 decimal places where necessary. Okay, we can cut it from here. Look at here. So we got square, which is 21 square, plus by the height is 6, so 6 times 21 divided by 2. So this is the area. So 21 square is gonna be 441. So this is gonna be 3. So this gonna be 3 times 21 is 63. So this will be wait a moment. So 21. So it's 3. This not 21 square. Moment, my bad. So this is not a square, this is a rectangle. This is 21 and 12. So 12 times 21 for the area of the first area, and the second area is triangle is 6 times 12. We divide by 2. So 12, here we got it, 12 times 21 is gonna be 252, plus this is gonna be 336. So 288 unit cube. What is it? Is it centimeter? Okay, centimeter. So centimeter square. Next, what we got from here? Okay, we can divide it. This is 2. If this is 2, so this is 6. So until here is 6. So we got 1, 2, 3. So we just need to addition 1 plus 2 area, second area, and third area. So first area is 2 times 3. Second area is 6 times 6. And the last area is 8 times 5. So this is 6 plus 36 plus by 40. So the total of 82 centimeter square. Okay, what we got from here? Okay, we got the shape that we don't want. Here, look like that. Oh yeah, this is triangle with the height of, if this is 13 and 18, so this is the height of 5, 22. So we got 7 and 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Yeah, 7 and 6 is 13. So this is gonna be 9, the base. So let's find it, the rectangle first. First area is 22 times 18, and then we minus with the cut area with triangle. 5 times 9 divided by 2. So 22 we multiplied by 18, so it's gonna be 396 for the whole rectangle, but we need to minus it with this area. 5 times 9, 45 divided by 2 is gonna be 22.5. So the area of this shape is gonna be 373.5 centimeter square. Okay, what area can we see from here? We got 20, 20, this 35, so let us cut it. Okay, if this is until here is 9, so this is 5. So let's check it. We got 35 minus by 9. 35 minus 20 and minus by 9. So this is 6. Okay, we can cut it also from here. So if this is 12 and this is 5, 5 times 5 plus 12. Yes, 5 plus 12 is 17, so this is 3. Okay, first the small. 6 times 5 divided by 2 plus by, here is, yeah, we got 12, not 12. Yeah, 12 plus 5 is 17 times 9, and plus by this triangle is 3 with 5, so 3 times 5 a half, and we got 20, 20 plus by 20 square. So this is gonna be 15 plus by, what is this? 19. So 19, not 19, 17 times 9 is gonna be 153. After 153, we got 3 times 5 divided by 2. This divided by 2. Isn't it? Yes, it is 3.5. We divided by 3 times 5 divided by 2 is 7.5 plus by, okay, the last 4 is 20 is 400. So we addition all will give us the answer of 581.5 centimeter square. Okay, next, this shape. Okay, parallel, what we got from here. Okay, this is 13, 14, and we got again by here 14. So what is this angle? Is if this is 15, 9. Okay, here is 9. So what information can we get? Let's think. So if this is 13, 14, 14. So what's the total? Show your working clearly. So we have to show our work clearly for the E. Whether the area is shaded, so we can just cut it, or we can find the total first. This is until here. Okay, we got it. 13. And here is the second. So we got the rhombus. Okay, so yeah, it is. Is it rhombus? Can we see it? Wait, let erase it. Yeah, rhombus. So this is also 19. So the area of the rhombus. So the first we can get it by rhombus. It's gonna be base with height. Base is 15, height is 14. So 15 we multiply it by 14. So this will be 210. Next, if this is 15, so the second, this will be, or let's make it this as a rectangle first. As a rectangle, which is 15 times 13. After that, we minus it with the triangle area. Minus by the triangle area base. Okay, this is 15, this is 9. So 15 minus 9 is going to be 6. 6 times 13 and divided by 2. So we can find it. 15 times 13 is 195, minus by, we got 6 times 13 and divided by 2 is 39. So 195 minus by 39, this is gonna be 156. So first plus second is 210 plus 256, not 205, 156. So this will give us the answer of 366 centimeter cube. Next for G. What can we see from here? Okay, we got this shape first, 6 and 2. 6 times 2. And then next we got this rectangle, isn't it? This is 6. This is 3 and 2. Okay, 3 and 2, 5. So 6 times 5, but we need to minus with the small 1 times 3. So it's going to be 12 plus 6 times 9 is 30 minus 3. So 12 plus 27. So this will give us answer of 39 centimeter square. Next for the G. Okay, these are square. So 14 square plus by a half of pi r square. R is 7 with 7 square. So 14 squares. So 14 square, 14 square is 196 plus this is 49 over 2 times pi. Phi is 3.1 and 4. So after the addition and calculation, it's going to be 272.97 centimeter square. Next, what area can we find it from here? Okay, first this area. Okay, so 20 and 30. So first we got 20 first area plus second area. So first area is 20 times 30. Second area is the trapezium. So the sum is 95 plus 75 times the height is 40, and we divide it by 2. So it's gonna be 600 plus by 95 plus 75 is gonna be 170, multiplied by this, we simplify, it's gonna be 20. So 600 plus by this 0 is 4 3. So this will be for the G600, we plus by 340 is gonna be 4,000 centimeter square. Okay, next we got first this area is 49 times 90, a rectangle, and plus with the circle. Okay, 45, we can make it a half of 45 here. 45 pi times, because this is one circle, so 45 divided by 2 is gonna be 22.5 square. So 49 times 90 is 4050 plus by 22.5 square, it's gonna be 506.25 multiplied by pi. So this final answer is gonna be 5640.43 centimeter square. Okay, we will make it a part 2 for the next question. Thank you.